Namaste. So I've been wanting to do this video for years, and this is the how to dry your hands if you're a girl with long hair way to be eco. So after you wash your hands, you get a little soap, scrub them together. Instead of using a paper towel because that's trees, that harms the environment. And you know, if there's no blow dryer for your hands, what are you gonna do? You're a male or a female with long hair, you dry them on your hair and it gets the frizzes out too. There you go. Sorry for the low quality, but I just needed to make this video really quick because I've been wanting to make this for years and haven't. So this is the eco way to dry your hands so that you don't need to waste paper towels. Thank you, blessings, namaste. Please share and do this yourself.